Aloha, this is Harrison from Restaurant XO and Andrew from Island Harvest, and we're here to announce the winner of the Hawai'i Ulu Recipe Writing Contest.
We're really excited to be announcing the winner today.
How we judge the ulu was based on appearance, creativity, replicability, and clarity.
So we're going to start with the second runner-up, and that is Mofongo de Pana. It's a take on a Caribbean dish, but they use ulu. You ready?
Oh no.
Oh, he dug in without me. That's okay. How's it taste?
Not bad.
Oh, yeah.
And sometimes when you cook ulu, the insides can seem a little dry.
Yeah.
And because of just this process in general, it just makes it so it has to go up to the fat and the sauce. You know what I mean?
Thanks, Chad, for submitting this. This was delicious. Thanks, Harrison, for recreating it. And now we're going to go to our runner-up, which is... Harrison?
The bacon wrapped ulu pops.
Oh, wow. I mean, I would take that to a party. I think I'd be a pretty popular guy if I brought those ones.
We just cut up the ulu, slathered the bacon, a little bit of sriracha, baked it, and then top it off with some sour cream and green onions.
Oh, that is excellent. The bacon and the ulu, you can't go wrong. A little bit of sour cream, sriracha, green onion. Oh,
yeah,
it's not
super moist.
It's not dried out at all. Thank you so much to Daniel Swift. Put together a great recipe. It looked beautiful. I'm gonna finish this one off before we announce the winner. All right, Harrison, it's time for the winning dish. I am excited. So can we get another drum roll here? And the winning dish is the Ulu Angel Food Cake, submitted to us by Aaron Foley. Great job, Aaron. You won a $100 gift certificate to Restaurant XO. I think most people, when they bake with ulu flour, they mix it with other flour, but this is just ulu flour. And let's taste it.
Yeah, one of those props for making that work. That's why.
Yeah, no, for sure. And this recipe really stood out. It was so well written. I think I could follow it.
This was my first time making an angel food cake, and I was able to follow it.
His first time making an angel food cake, and he nailed it. So we're gonna dig in here. Oh wow. Yeah, that's
very light.
Yeah, it's light and airy. You know that I didn't think you could do that with ulu flour.
Yeah, actually, I never thought that could happen too.
Yeah.
My experience is that usually it just gets super gummy.
Yeah.
Or super thick and heavier. Or it drops down in your mouth faster.
Well, it just goes to show how versatile the ulu flour is, and it also goes to show how great of a dish Aaron put together here.
Thank you to all the contestants that submitted the recipes.
And you can go to eatbreadfruit.com, and the Hawai'i Ulu Co-op is going to put all the best recipes up there. You can recreate these. You can go buy ulu flour, different types of ulu on the website, as well as some other crops. And the ulu co-ops, they're always doing new boxes, new creative things with ulu and other dishes. So ulu flour is going out to all the different stores throughout the state here. So there's a little store finder on the website. So yeah, everyone needs to go pick up their ulu flour.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Congratulations to Aaron Foley on winning the Hawai'i Ulu Recipe Contest.